This video is the DIY change oil of my Honda CB500X with a total mileage of 500 km. Bought the 3 litres. Honda oil and 1 oil filter from Casa, which costs around 2,500 pesos. I can buy it cheaper, but the quality is not sure. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Clean the bike. 2. Start the bike for 2 minutes to preheat the oil. 3. Remove the skid plate and loosen the oil dipstick knob. 4. Prepare the oil catch basin under the bike. 5. Remove the oil drain plug and clean. 6. Drain the oil, tilt and leaving it to drop. 7. Remove the oil filter and drain more oil. 8. Put oil to the new filter and assemble not too tight. 9. Return the drain plug. Not too tight and pour new oil. For total of 2.7 litres. 10. Return the oil dipstick knob and start the engine. That's it. Finished. Ran the bike for several minutes approx. 20 kilometers to test and all good. Thanks for watching.